Hi guys, it's Sandy here. Today I have a very exciting video. So, I picked up the Essence Ho Ho Home for Christmas Advent calendar. I got this from Takealot and I will put a link down below in the description if you want to pick this up. I will be doing more fun unboxings and haul videos on my channel, so if that's your type of thing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell icon. If you enjoy Essence Cosmetics unboxing videos, I unboxed every single Essence mystery box that Takealot sells in one of my previous videos, so do go and check that out. I want to try to do this as nicely as possible. Here's door number 1. So here's inside door number 1. It says it's matte o'clock. Oh, this is so cute. We have this gorgeous Essence mini matte fixing powder and it's all Christmas themed and says let it snow on the inside. This pressed design is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and now we're going on to door number 2, which is oh, here we go. This is Collect Moments and lipstick, and we have many lipsticks. Packaging is just the absolute cutest. Oh, it's so cute. It's like 2 little lip crayons. These are really gorgeous wearable festive colors. We have shade 01 Feel the Magic, a gorgeous dusty pink, and shade 02 Spread the Love. And now on to door number 3. If I can find it. Ooh. Oh, that is small. It says shape it till you make it, and we have a little tweezer. This really cute little mini eyebrow tweezer with these little pingus on. Day number 4. This one says today it's a good day to write your own, and we have, I think, nail stickers. Yes, we have some really cute Christmas themed nail stickers. This is really fun. Then moving on to day number 5. Can you please just work with me, not against me? Woo. This one says find your little hot baker. Oh, that's cute. And we have what is this? We have a really cute little gingerbread man shaped gift card. Door number 6. This one says be my candy cane crush, and I opened the box and it's this really cute little eyeshadow brush, and the bristles are really smooth, and I always need these types of compact eyeshadow brushes. Then we have door number 7. I'm very bad at finding this. I don't see where door number 7 is. Found it. Okay, it looks like it's going to be an eye pencil. Oh, this is so cute. It says I came, I saw, I lined. Here we go. We have a black cordial pencil. I think this is a full size. Yep, it is a full size. They put the little Christmas design on this packaging. Not super creamy, but not super dry. Feels very much like a crayon. I actually don't have a black eyeliner pencil. And then we have door number 8. We have a nourishing hand cream. Oh, and the door says never stop creaming. I really think they should have given a hand sanitizer since we are having a COVID Christmas. Ooh, but it smells really nice and floral, and it's really nice and moisturizing. Then we have door number 9. It says, I have enough nail polish, said no one. Yes, yo, I'm obsessed with nail polishes. Ooh, it's a gorgeous rose gold color with this cute little swan on the bottle. I'm obsessed with nail polishes, so I will definitely get good use out of this. Then we have door number 10. Ooh, it's a long one. Ooh, what's in here? And the door says, dream as big as your lashes are. I love that. Ooh, we have a mascara. Ooh, we have a extreme volume mascara, and again it also has Christmas stars on it. This is really cute, and this looks like a full-size product. Then we have door number 11. Twinkle twinkle little star, make a wish wherever you are. And we have a mini charm bracelet. That is really small, hey? This is really small. No, this is definitely not going to fit me. I need to give this away to some child. Now that I think about it, this probably was designed for kids. But this is like full adult makeup in here. Okay, anyway, you know, I'm a kid at heart. It's fine. Door 11. I need door number 12. Okay, first it says, let's introduce the most kissable gingerbread man. And we have a color changing lip balm with vitamin E. I've always wanted to try one of the Essence color changing lip balms, but I never have it in store by me. And then we have door number 13. I'm just gonna slip it out from here. Okay, so door number 13 doesn't have a quote, but we have these really cute face jewels. I would definitely use this for like some creative makeup looks or something. They're just so cute and girly. I can imagine like a little girl would love getting this. Then we have day number 14, which is really tiny. Ooh. So door number 14 says, when life gives you a Monday, dip it in glitter. I've heard of that quote. I think I have it saved in my phone from Pinterest. And we have a little sharpener in here. Ooh, we have a really nice quality sharpener. I don't have such a nice sharpener actually. The one I have is really ratchet. And this has the little Christmas design on the top, and the plastic in the sharpener has glitter. Then we have door number 15. Gloss on worries gone. And we have, oh, this is cute, a mini top coat. I'll definitely use this because I use nail polishes quite frequently. It also has a little Christmas design on it. Then we have door number 16. Oh, here we go. Door number 16 is a big one. And the door says, be happy browly days. And we have the eyebrow style bar. It's also got a little festive design on. We have a light brown and a dark brown. Then we have door number 17. Okay, we have another small one. And this is, can you feel the magic in the hair, darling? And we have just these cute little hair ties. This really looks like elastic tied in a knot, actually. Interesting. And then we have door number 18. Woo, I see sparkles. There's glass like a boss. I hope you can see this. Ah, it's sparkly. What is this? Oh my gosh! We have a glitter lip topper. This is absolutely stunning. This glitter is just so gorgeous and sparkly. I honestly would put this on my eyelids as well for a specific type of look. Then we have door number 19. This is quite big. Ooh. Okay, it says wake up, make up, be happy, remove, repeat. And we have these makeup removal towels. I really love that every single item in here is branded. Oh, so we get one cloth. It looks so cute. It's really soft. I'm just skeptical that it's white. My makeup is brown and I'm gonna remove it with this white cloth. I just hope it rinses out nicely. Oh, and then the packaging says candy cane wishes. Really, man, they got me with this packaging. 20. Where are you? When in doubt, choose red. And we have this gorgeous little bright red nail polish. Like I said, I absolutely love nail polishes, so I'll definitely get around to using this. We have this cute little reindeer design on it. Then we have door number 21. Door number 21, which is down here. Ooh, it says, take a sweet escape to your dreams, beauty. And we have this really cute little notebook. It is One Wish a Day notebook, and it just has these gorgeous little designs in here as well as blank pages. I think I'll just use this to write my shopping lists in here. And moving on to day number 22. It says, there she goes, looking like a star. And we have a mini highlighter stick. It's a gorgeous gold. The Essence highlighters are usually quite subtle. Day number 23 is over here. Some body tattoos, gold body tattoos. The designs are so adorable and really nice and shiny. And then last we have day number 24. Woo! I see sparkles. Okay, this one says, hey beauty, we wish you a wonderful Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. And what do we have in here? Because I can't see. This box is so huge. We have a makeup brush with a glitter handle. This is a mini highlighter brush and the bristles are just so soft. You can use it for highlighting or contouring actually. And the stars in this handle is just so gorgeous. I don't have any makeup brushes that look this pretty. And that's it. That's all the goodies we have in there. That was really fun to open. I was quite happy with most of the things in there. I think the only thing that I'm not really happy about is like the hair ties and the bracelets. But some of the other fillers were really cute. So yeah, and I think for the price, it's not too bad. You're getting 24 cute little items and everything is custom designed for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to pick this up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.